Hello everybody, this is Jared with Shading Texas. I'm trying to get back far enough because these are such big screens. But I'm out here in the Sweetwater development out here in Austin, Texas, and we just installed these two screens on these east-facing patio openings. I'm just gonna actually push down here and I'm actually gonna bring them down. Check this out. Boom. We have got about 18 feet wide each opening with about a 12-foot, 13-foot high opening here. See these guys go down. There's two big patio openings. You can see the entire patio here is a nice big patio. Really bright out here. And check these when they come down. Boom. Look at that. You can see the seams up here. Seam is right here. That's at 120 inches, which is the tallest in the industry. So what's nice about that is we can actually get that seam up really high, so it's very not noticeable. You can see how well this does here. I'm gonna push these up again. I'm actually gonna bring you guys closer.